The one thing that we'll probably see next week, if I come over here to the bot library, and yeah, if I come over here, if I wanted to edit Chatbot, you're gonna see we're also gonna kill this loading next week too. We know what's causing that. But if I click on this guy here, see this one here that says appointment? These are my appointments that I'm bringing in from GC. So I can choose my appointment and I can just flip a switch. Now, what's going to happen is, and we're working on this right now, if I come over here to this guy, and let me just go ahead, even though he's not all pretty and everything, he's got the functionality. If I click on this bot URL, you're going to see what I believe to be the most advanced appointment system ever, right? So I can click a button that says make appointment, whatever else. Can I make an appointment? Let me make sure this is the right one. I think this is the right one. Let's see. Can I make an appointment? I didn't even spell that right. Absolutely, I'd be happy to book an appointment. What day would you like to come in? Do you have anything tomorrow? See how conversational this thing is, right? Very, very conversational, right? Sure, let's check that for you. Tomorrow would be Saturday the 7th. Let me check what's available for that day. Hang on just a minute. Let's see, looks like we don't have any open slots. Would another day? What is the day you have available? Oops, I didn't type anything. What day do you have available? Let's see what it says. And I'm not spelling anything right, am I? Could you give me a range of days when you're generally free? This way I can check how. And what might be interesting is I might not have anything on my calendar inside of GC, right? So let's see what it says. Got it. Monday would be June 9th. Let me check what's available. So let's come over here now, and we're at the infant stages of this, but here's the appointment it's talking to. And if I click on advanced settings, look at this here, guys. Advanced settings, availability. Okay, so I do have something available Monday. See this? This is how you set up your availability. You can do it per user too. But let's see what it says. We've got a few openings on Monday. Would you prefer morning or afternoon? How about the morning? Do you guys see this right now? Is that not an appointment system or what? Great. For mornings, we have the available time slots available. Do you have anything later? It's been really, really complicated. Certainly, how about 11 to 11:30 on Monday? Would that work? Do you have anything later? Hold on. I'll just say later. My apologies, so it was 11:30 to 12. Okay, that's later. How about in the evening? So most of these just give you a list of links, times available, right? It seems we don't have available in the evening. Latest morning appointment we have on Monday is from. How many of you can see people making an appointment this way? And when this thing talks, it's to say, yeah, sure. Do you want to come in the evening or the morning, or what do you want to do, right? Um, now what happens is I'm going to go ahead and choose 11 right now. Okay, look, I'm going to choose 11. All right, and let's see what it's going to do. Now, all right, let's rock it in 11 to 11:30. Just need a little bit more information. Sure, it's Chad. Okay, so I'm going to give it my name. Sure, 307-249-106. So we have it set up to get the phone number or the email or whatever, right? Perfect, thanks. And what's your email address? Chad@chadnelsey.com. See how conversational it is, though? So now our challenge is, and I knew this challenge was coming, You're all set. I booked your appointment for Monday, June 9th from 11 to 11:30. A confirmation chat will be sent to here. If you need to cancel or schedule, let me know. Have a great day. Um, so we just fired off a tag. So we're going to have built-in emails, even though a tag can fire off the emails, we're going to have like built-in confirmation emails and everything with the appointment system, kind of like what we did inside of Membird, right? That'll use your own SMTP to send from. But in addition to that, we just fired off a tag and we can cancel it. We're building all that functionality in, right? But the main thing for us was how do we make this conversational? So, what's awesome about this, guys, is AI Bot Studio is about to go on the map big time because of our ads that we're out there running. We don't even have a sales page now. We just put an ad out there and people are clicking message and they're going right to the page and then they're talking to a bot that is this conversational. Does that make sense? And if you're part of the mastermind, make sure you watch the replay from the other day because I mapped that out pretty well, right? So the same functionality that we had before. Um, you're gonna see, I still got to clean this up, right? So this is the name of your appointment. These are your instructions. This is where you'll either use your default availability that you have on your whole account, or you'll do specific availability just for this one calendar. You'll put your start date, your end date, the fields that you want to pull in. And then if you want to have like a buffer time before the appointment, after the appointment, if it needs to be booked in advance, how far somebody can book in advance. This is our favorite feature. I might have 7 available slots that I'm willing to take throughout the day, but anytime somebody looks at it, it randomly just says I only have 3 available. So it looks like I'm always getting booked all the time. This allows people to reschedule if they want to. Here's your tags that fire off when they make an appointment, when they cancel an appointment, when they're sold an
Very cool.
appointment. And then over here, this is where we're integrating with the Google Calendar and the Outlook Calendar. Pretty easy. So you'll set up like multiple appointments here. And then
Yeah.
I'm still working on this part here too, right? But this is the booking that we just made today, guys, right? So you'll have upcoming, you'll have pending, you'll have past appointments. And like I said, we're testing all this stuff out. We'll add email functionality in here, and I'd say we're like 90% there. If I hadn't been sick, you guys would already have this probably.